Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube keeps pausing or buffering issue. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is simply from here, you're going to go to the top right section where you can see the three dots. Click on it, and then from here you're going to go down until you see help, and then you're going to go from help about Google Chrome, and then click on it right here. Now it's going to check for any Chrome updates, and so as you can see it's updating Chrome right here. So you're going to wait for it until it updates for the newest version, which will fix a lot of the issues and the bugs. Once that is done, you're going to go back to YouTube, reload, and then from here try again. If it still cures the same issue, then all you have to do is from here, once you go there, open new tab, then from here go to the top right settings, and then from here go to the settings section on the bottom. Once you go to the settings section at the bottom, go to the privacy and security. Then from here, you're going to go to third-party cookies. Once you click on third-party cookies, you're going to see all site data and permissions. So click on that. Then from here, as you can see, there's a lot for YouTube. So you're going to search for YouTube. Once you search for YouTube and search it, it's going to display for you everything that is signed for YouTube itself. And so for any specific channel or anything, you're going to click on delete display data. So anything that is related to YouTube right here is going to delete it, and so that will delete all the cookies. And so if you have anything in your extensions that might be on, then maybe try turning it off in the meantime and then try again, and that should solve your problem. But hopefully the main issue of just updating YouTube itself should be helpful enough. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.